Hello, my name is Marla Durden. I am a facilitator and a coach, and I am so deeply honored to be leading Reset to Love for Ghost Ranch over New Year's Eve. This is going to be a wonderful journey into the heart of love, into that which matters most to us, and that which brings us purpose, and that which brings us joy. There's a beautiful quote by Teilhard de Chardin that will be one of our guiding principles as we begin to journey together into the heart of love. And that is, the day will come when, after harnessing the ether, the winds, the tides, and gravity, we shall harness for God the energies of love. And on that day, for the second time in the history of the world, humanity will have discovered fire. The time is now for us to discover fire. The time is now for us to pull ourselves out of whatever is happening into the world and come into the center, into the heart of what matters most to us. We will have a journey of 3 days over the New Year's to center ourselves in love, to remember what is real, what is important, what brings us joy, what propels us, what inspires us. And we will create heart and mind connection so that we have coherence and clarity as we walk into the new year. I invite you to join me. Join me as we recenter ourselves in love and we walk into the new year knowing what we love and living our lives from that place. Martin Luther King has a beautiful quote that is so perfect for this moment in time. And that is, yes, it is love that will save our world and our civilization. I join you on the journey of love, of heart coherence, as we do all of the things that we know will help us center in love. We'll use the heart's tools and the heart's guide. So we will have poetry, we will play, we will journal, we'll have immersive meditation, we'll have contemplative practices and time to really, really center ourselves in that which we love and move into the new year from this place. We're going to have fun, we're going to let it be easy, and we're going to allow our heart to lead. Thank you so much. I really hope that you can join us and that whatever you do now, love is your guide. Love is your center. Take care. Thank you so much. See you soon.